everyone. So here's a new recipe, but this is a side dish recipe. Add any meat you want. I added it with codfish. So what you'll need is 1 bag of the riced cauliflower, goat cheese, heavy cream, baby spinach and arugula, extra virgin olive oil, Parmesan cheese, pink salt, pepper, and oregano. Then we're going to preheat the oven to 350. And then let's go ahead and start cooking our meat. I did it with fish. I added 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, drained all the water off the fish, and then put it into the pan, added heavily pink salt, pepper, oregano, and cooked it on a medium heat. Let's get the side dish ready in the microwave. On 6 minutes, you're going to put the cauliflower in. Then when your meat's ready, go ahead and flip your meat, add more pink salt, pepper, and oregano. And then once your cauliflower is done in the microwave, drain all the water off of it and stick it in an oven-safe dish. Add 2 cups of the baby spinach and arugula. And if you like, cut it up with kitchen scissors or use your finger. Add 1 full pack of the goat cheese. Also break that up into bite-sized pieces. Add 2 tablespoons of heavy cream and then heavily pink salt and pepper. And don't worry about mixing it yet. Just add it into the oven and we'll cook for 10 minutes. When it's done, you're going to pull it out, give it a good stir, and go ahead and serve up your plates. I added apple cider vinegar to my fish and Parmesan cheese to the dish, and it was 14 net carbs for this entire dish, so 7 net carbs a piece for each plate, and absolutely delicious.